As we move on, we can't end this video without learning about custom user groups. If you're familiar with traditional email, user groups within the SComm module are comparable to a grouped or distribution list. You can get very specific with the SComm access. For example, after you learn how to create a custom user group, you will be able to restrict user SComm access to just the ability to send SComms to users within their custom user group. You do not have to create user groups, and you don't need to assign SComm user groups to all users. However, after learning about how to create them, you as a provider administrator can make the choice to use them, not use them, or limit their use to a select group of users at your agency. Basically, it's always worth thinking through how you will use features before you decide to create and assign them. In my opinion, as you add more and more users from various entities like internal users, states, auditors, guardians, physicians, I think it's safe to say that creating custom SComm user groups become more important. Just think, do you want an auditor to accidentally send something sensitive to a DSP or to a family member? Do you want family members to have access to all the users at your agency? Only you can answer those questions. Okay, with that being said, let's learn how to create custom user groups. Again, these are created because you want to restrict a user's list of available recipients. First, you get back to Dashboard. Then you can look to the right of Dashboard and locate the SComm box. You will see Inbox, Compose, Draft, all those functions. Go ahead and scroll down until you see Custom User Group and click it. Once you've clicked the link, scroll all the way down to see the Add New User Group option. You can title this custom group whatever you'd like. You can make the appropriate adjustments by noting a description, the group type, and then you can add all the users you want to include in this custom user group. In efforts to make this practical, let's think back to scenario number 2. Let's say we only want the auditor emailing the day and residential managers and maybe directors. So we go through and add all the managers and all the directors, and then you can save this new group. From there, you will see a list of groups you've created. You can direct your attention to the action column where you can assign this group to various users, you can edit this group, or you can delete groups. Once you've added a user to the custom user group, then you've successfully restricted who they can send an SComm to and who they can receive SComms from. Overall, you have many options with regards to assigning access. Your users can send access SComms to everyone at the agency. They can send them to just one person. You can have third parties log in and restrict their user accounts to just SComm module only. Or you can just turn the entire SComm module off for everyone except licensed professionals. I mean, you literally have free reign to assign access as needed within the SComm module. As an administrator, you have plenty of options in terms of assigning access to the SComm module. Oftentimes, administrators allow open access to the SComm module until they've ironed out all the policy and procedures. Please just ensure you have thought through your SComm workflow. You've trained users on your expectations, and you have written policy and procedures that reflect your agency's decisions. If you're unsure about any aspects of this training, please do not hesitate contacting your provider administrator, contacting Live Help, searching our help and support page for SComm related materials, or you can always reach out to your area trainer for additional support. I hope you enjoyed this video on assigning SComm access to users. Who knew this module had so much and would be so fun? Thank you.